Burn damage, flood marks, cracked glass, and years of neglect, most people would walk away. Every crack, stain, and layer of grime tells the same story. This supercar barely survived. This destroyed Lamborghini Aventador was written off by insurance, but today it gets one last chance. The first step is getting it out of the salvage yard without causing even more damage. From a forgotten salvage lot to a professional restoration shop, now the real work begins. Years of mud, ash, moss, and dirt are blasted away, revealing the shape hidden underneath. Before it can be rebuilt, everything damaged by fire and water has to come out. The windshield is completely fractured, and the seals show clear signs of heat and water damage. With slow, careful cuts, the shattered glass is separated from the frame piece by piece. Old adhesive, glass dust, soot, and moisture damage are removed to prepare for a perfect seal. The burned and damaged body panels are cut, welded, reshaped, and brought back to life. Every curve and edge must be sanded by hand until the body lines are perfectly smooth again. Gray primer covers the repaired panels, and for the first time, the car starts to look whole again. The primer is wet sanded smooth, while every glass edge, vent, and trim line is carefully masked. Now comes the color. Lamborghini Arancio Atlas Orange, sprayed in smooth, even layers. The clear coat adds depth, gloss, and mirror-like reflections to every sharp Lamborghini line. A brand new windshield is carefully lowered into place, aligned perfectly with the restored frame. The final seal is pressed smooth, locking the new glass into a clean, factory-like finish. The V12 shows signs of water contamination, burned wiring, corrosion, and serious neglect. Damaged parts are separated, cleaned, replaced, and arranged with surgical precision. Piece by piece, the V12 is rebuilt with fresh wiring, new seals, clean components, and exact torque. The rebuilt engine is lowered back into the car, carefully aligned with the mounts and wiring. After all the damage, silence, and hard work, the V12 finally comes back to life. The flooded interior is rebuilt from the floor up, with new insulation, wiring, and premium carpet. Fresh black leather seats with orange stitching bring the cabin back to a luxury supercar standard. The dashboard, steering wheel, carbon trim, and controls are restored down to the smallest detail. From insurance salvage to a flawless orange Aventador, this abandoned supercar is finally reborn.